Put your window open. You're unlocked. You can do what you want.
Ooh, what a treat.
Just because why? Why do we normally have this freaking...
We don't have the baby.
Because they open the back window up. And Rye has fallen out in your car before.
Yes.
But why I fired her back up, check this out. Not the wood, but all the snow behind it. But check this out. Right up here. That seagull wants to get run over. Check that out. I don't know what that is, though.
It's rock.
Ayers Rock? I don't know.
It's rock.
Oh, Ayers Rock. See, you get to see what?
It's rock.
Of Ocean City?
Ocean City parking.
Yep. It is pretty impressive. How did they get that all the way up there? Huh? No, I'm asking, how did they get that up there? It almost looks like it's been blown up there. Like not shoveled, like blown. I don't know what my audio's like out there, a little breezy, but that is. This is, as we walk that. Push it real good.
Hey, I'm here. I'm here. I'll give you a call back in a little bit.
All right, Mark, good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you, bye. All right, so I don't know that I'll include that audio.
No.
I don't know that I'll include that audio. Mark Spagnola, Dust of Dawn Bow Fishing is at the Harrisburg Outdoor Show. And Karen and I tried to, we would be there right now. I guess our chances of love being there are better than currently than our chances of being in Arkansas.
Love, I'm looking at all that wood.
Yep.
And thinking, you know, walls at the...
It's pressure treated though.
But wouldn't that be cool?
I don't know about inside. I don't know if I want pressure treated inside. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And think about all the people that've been walking on it. Puking on it.
Stop, okay.
Babies.
I'm good now. Thank
Babies
you.
doing whatever babies do on it.
Yeah.
And birds and dogs. But this is the dirty side of winter right here. 100%. Anyway, man, it was really dirty right there though. You know, not that Ocean City is a dirty place or anything.
It's an urban area, so.
Urban. All right, so just real quick, we did try to. I did really want to get in the Harrisburg Outdoor Show this year.
Let us know. Let's see what they do.
Okay, let's see what he does.
Where's all this snow coming from? It hasn't snowed in a week.
It's been that long ago, huh?
Saturday was when we got the blizzard.
Here, you want it? Here, you.
Oh, sorry.
So that's what they do. They just do it there, but something must put it up higher now.
Yeah.
Obviously you can see. Obviously you can see that. But yeah, the Harrisburg Outdoor Show. Thought it'd be cool to go do it. I filled out whatever paperwork online I should have filled out to like a pre-application. Pre-application? Yeah.
Just an application.
And I did that back in midsummer, and then closer to the season because I want to have my act together if I was going to go do it, if we were going to go do it.
Mm-hmm.
Had some ideas about doing like live feeds, and I just was going to try to
order some merchandise. We had there was going to be a good bit of preparation for it.
Yeah. So I wanted to kind of stay ahead of it instead of behind it, and I even reached back out to that email. It was just kind of blunt. I won't use the word rude. It was definitely blunt. And the other thing is, 2 years. Well, it wasn't. They didn't have it last year. What?
That's better.
Good. 2 years ago, when I was there, right before. Well, it didn't happen last year. So 3 years ago, when I was up there with Scott Lennox and Mark, and there was empty places all over, all kinds of space, and that's what Mark just said. That there's all kinds of space right now today. That So and shows, man. Just like the Habitat Grace Decoy Show, like once you don't have a show, 1 year you'd be okay, right? You do it 2 years in a row, all of a sudden, like it's not relevant anymore, right? So, sorry for that little side note, but Karen hit that snow one last time. We were kind of impressed as we drove.
It's Uluru. Look it up if you're not sure what that is.
Yeah.
It's in the dead center of Australia. Owned by the Aboriginals. Previously called Ayers Rock. Very cool.
All right, once again, thank you for following along from OCMD. The ocean is flat this morning.